Get moving follower again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to create your own personal YouTube channel. So before that, I would like you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm showing you a step-by-step guide on how to open a new YouTube channel. First of all, you go to your Google and type youtube.com. When you get there, you to the top corner you see a circle, tap on it. Then add sign in. Click on sign in. Then they will ask you if you want to create an account or you just want to use your formal email. So in this video, I think I have to create an account. But if you already have an email, you can just put in your email and then they'll just ask a few questions and then you can just give them and your YouTube channel is opened. But here I'm going to be opening a new account and they asked me for myself, for my child, or to manage my business, and I'm choosing for myself. So first name, I'll be using to. Then last name, they'll ask for first name and they'll ask for last name. Then I'll be using this. Any name you want to use, you can make use of it. Later on you can still change it though. Then they will ask you for the name, the email you want to use yourself, and you can pick any one you like, as far as it's not something someone already has. Then choose your password. Next, they ask to verify your phone number, so you put in your phone number. Then they will send you a verification code so that they will be sure that you are actually a human who is doing this, or you are actually the one trying to open the account. So now that I've put in my phone number, I'll be expecting a verification code in a few minutes time. So they've sent it to me. Then click on verify. Then recovery email address, you can put maybe your parents' email address or an email address that even if something is wrong with your own email, like you forget your password or something, they have an email address where they can send it to and you can get your password back. So I'll be using another of my own email addresses. Then choose a date of birth, your month, year, gender, female. Then after that, just next. And then your Google account is opened. Just read the privacy and all those. You read the privacy and terms. Then if you agree with it, I agree. You click on it. Then they will ask for you to turn on your sync. So now you've already opened a new Google account. So now to start your own YouTube channel, you go back to youtube.com. So now I'm here on my YouTube on the channel I just opened. So you go to the top right where you see something like a camera and it will show you create. And here you can choose whether to upload a video or to go live. And that is how you create your own account. And then they ask for upload picture. You can decide to put any picture you like. Your name, if you want to change your name on the YouTube, you can also change it. Then click on create channel. here you see upload video, and you can choose any video you like to upload. You can just upload it. And that is how you create a new YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed everything that I've taught. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box. Thank you. Bye.